Real photo. I'm gonna teach you a trick, okay? Look at me, look at me. All right? You can get a real photo right now, okay? You gotta listen to what I say though, okay? This is the trick, all right? Works every time. Do it in Argentina with your friends, all right? Ready? Okay, smile. Don't smile. Smile. Don't smile. There we go. That's the photo. That is the photo. You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a nice trip, man. Yeah. Thanks, man. Yeah. Room 5 crew. That was my room. Me, the Danish people, Casey, and Angus. Angus is the last one. He's still there. And I'm leaving the hostel, leaving Sofia. On to the next.
I'll tell him the terminal. You can.
Okay, thank you.
Good one.
Thank you so much, man. I'll see you. Yeah. All right, man. How are you? Как дела? Хорошо. Хорошо. И airport, да? Да. You. Yeah. Hey, thank you. Merci. Bye-bye. Okay, once again made the mistake from the time it took me to check in, for time it took me to get out the taxi to get through the security here in the airport. Took me like 3 minutes, but it's been a great time here in Sofia, Bulgaria. Definitely a calm city, definitely a relaxed city, definitely a city I recommend for you guys. It looks almost like they haven't done anything with it, and it's been kind of run down a little bit, and they haven't. The roads are bumpy, graffiti everywhere, but it's one of those cities that's really relaxing and really calm. Really recommend it to you guys. Come here to chill out. As I've been telling everyone I've been here, it's one of those places where you can recover. You recover physically because it's really chill. You're not a lot of force to party. You recover financially because it's not super expensive, and I definitely appreciate it for that. Hello. I definitely appreciate it for that. So definitely approved. Now I have about an hour and a half to my flight. Gonna chill out, relax, and then it is off to. We were waiting like an extra 30 minutes, but it should be only an hour, 1 hour, 10-minute flight. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye-bye. Welcome to Budapest, Hungary. Okay, finally through passport control. Nice little 45-minute wait. I think this airport's maybe 30-40 minutes from outside the center. So got to figure a way there. Bus, Bolt, Uber, not sure exactly. Taxi, not sure exactly how. Okay, so just getting here was trying to decide whether to take a taxi or bus. Bus is more simple and it's like 10% of the price of a taxi, but I don't know where it's going or anything like that. But it should be like 30-35 minutes, and I'm actually lost right now. What's now? 30 minutes. You know how long it is?
Well, around 35-ish.
I was right. 35 minutes. 35 minutes. arriving here to the center, little things are coming back to me. For example, well, first of all, I don't know where I am, by the way. My hostel is, excuse me. I know where I am, I don't know where my hostel is. By this Ferris wheel, if you guys saw the Budapest, if you saw the Budapest vlogs last year, you'll remember that I was playing basketball by this, by the Ferris wheel. So the goal is, and also, by the way, Sylvia, if you're watching, pleasure to meet you. And the goal is right now to get to the hostel, drop all this stuff off, kind of catch my breath, water, and then maybe, yeah, maybe just explore just a little bit today. It's supposed to be a chill day, but yeah, I don't do chill too well. Came to this area where my hostel is today. I was on a totally different side of Budapest, and I totally forgot I really like this city, and I never even saw this whole entire part that I've been walking through. It's like a whole other side of the city. Totally forgot how approved this city is for me. Wow, I never even came this way before. Never. That's me. It's not my whole name, but you know. And wow, this hostel is really nice. And this is actually pretty interesting when you see the rooms. Wait, you'll see. Yeah, so you guys can see, the place is pretty nice. The room was pretty cool. They have like interesting sleeping arrangements. And this is the kitchen. Man, they got everything here. And they even have like a coffee machine here. This might be my new, man, this is really nice. And there's like an upstairs, and I just realized you guys like to see this kind of stuff in the hostels. There's like a upstairs part as well. Oh my goodness. Yeah, with TV, Wi-Fi, everything here. I actually might just chill here in the hostel for a little bit. And I think I might just chill here in the hostel for a little bit. 3 hours later, was kind of, well, met some awesome people in the hostel. That's how it usually goes. And right now I am a little bit, I guess I'm in the center, but still a little bit of ways away from what you guys think of when you think of Budapest. So what I'm gonna actually do is try to make my way over to the main center area. Don't have a lot of time before the sun goes down, and try to familiarize myself a little bit more with here. It's been probably like a year since I've been here. I gotta just use today not just as a walk through here, but kind of as a refamiliarization. Is that a word? Refamiliarization day or evening here in Budapest. What's up, man? How you doing? You good, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you, man. Have a good day, yo. Yeah, all right, man. All right, no, it's okay. Thank you, though. I'm sure, man. Yeah, man. Have a great day, man. I'm happy too, man. See you, man. Oh, man. Welcome to Budapest. Starting to like come back to me. I remember there's like a basketball court, I want to say, over here. There was a basketball court over here. Man, and there's a basketball court over here. I remember last time I was here, I was playing here for like hours, but that was after like a month of walking like 30,000 steps a day. All right, let me get in here. But right now, it is getting late. I still am gonna keep my original goal. I'm gonna try and make it down to the Okay, so the sun is kind of gone away. It's starting to rain, but it's all good because I finally arrived at my destination. Sunshine or not, finally made it here. And you know, just kind of being here, you know, even though I know the weather's pretty, it actually feels good. It's been super hot outside. The weather is actually really nice. It's a cool feeling being back here. I can't even remember, I got caught up playing, oh my gosh, it started to rain hard. I got caught up playing basketball and I totally forgot about where I was going with the vlog, but I'm excited to be here. Excited to bring you guys along here as well. But like I say, it is starting to rain pretty hard. And I am a long ways away from the hostel, but want to thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely come here to Budapest. Even though it's not so beautiful right now because it's raining and raining really hard, it is definitely beautiful. Definitely a place you guys need to come check out. Oh my gosh. And just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Hope you got a little bit of value out of here. And on that note, I'm gonna end the vlog here in the rain, telling you guys to always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao. Excuse me, can I walk with you over there? Thank you, you're so nice. How are you? You have a good time?
We want to take
Oh, a picture, okay.
picture.
You want me to take a picture of you?
No, we want to wait till the night with the light.
It's better in the night.
It's raining now.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah, thank you so much. You are so nice.
Are you YouTuber? Or
Huh?
YouTuber?
Yeah, I take video.
Oh.
No picture, I take video, yeah. I ended the vlog like maybe 15 minutes ago. Met somebody from Argentina. I ended up taking their picture and talking to them, and I got stuck in the rain. And we're doing all this for a photo. Good job. Welcome to Budapest. because it has been you can see I'm soaking wet. I always get caught up meeting people who